guys, so we're out here at M1 tuning today. We're going to get David's Fairlane on the dyno right now and see how much more. 500 baby, let's go!
First off, praise to the Most High. Glorious, you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux guy, no lie, no bite, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud, you repent when I roll by.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are watching. We are back this week. We are taking the Fairlane, one of the Fairlanes, to the dyno, to M1 tuning, to see how much power we have, as this car's never been dynoed and it's never actually been properly tuned, this car. So we've got our heater on 32 degrees because it's so cold outside. If you're from the Gold Coast, anywhere's cold. So yeah, I'm keen to find out. It shouldn't blow up. I mean, it's been a solid year. This thing's been boosted and I have given it the abuse. So should be good. Keen to see. We are here. We're going to back it in. Keen.
Brother, what's happening?
Very surprised, guys. Well, I like it, the Falcon.
Let's go!
Right guys, Fairlane, we've given it a good run. It's not making, we all kind of had an expectation of like maybe 400, 450 because the car is seriously a quick car for what it is, but she only had 347 horsepower. We've pulled a bit of fuel out because it's running way too rich. We've added some boost because we could thin out the fuel mixture a little bit. So it's making 374.2 horsepower on, well, it's not even 15 pound. It's actually, that last run didn't gain too much more. I think it's 13 PSI boost. So stock valve springs, the motor is completely standard on E85 1000cc injectors. So it's pretty funny. It's going to get a proper ECU so we can bump the power right up. But you got to thank Benny at M1 Tuning for giving it a run. He didn't do any tuning on it. Once we get the link ECU, patch harness and all those things, we'll get him to tune it, pump some good power out of it. So yeah, big shout out to him for letting us use the dyno in the morning. That's it for today's video, guys. We'll catch you on Thursday. Hope you enjoyed. Cheers.